Feeling stuck happens to everyone at some point. When motivation disappears, it can be hard to keep going. But staying motivated is possible even during tough times. Here are some easy steps to help you move forward and find your energy again. First, accept how you feel. It's okay to feel stuck or frustrated. Don't fight those feelings. Instead, notice them and understand they are temporary. Accepting your emotions helps reduce stress and clears your mind. Next, break your big goals into small, simple tasks. When you have a huge goal, it can feel overwhelming. Divide it into smaller parts that are easier to manage. Completing one small task will give you a sense of progress and keep you motivated. Also, remind yourself why you started. Think about the reason behind your goal. What inspired you? What will achieving this goal change in your life? Keeping this purpose in mind can help you push through hard moments. Another important step is to change your environment. Sometimes a new place or a clean workspace can refresh your mind. Try working in a different room, going outside, or organizing your desk. A small change can make a big difference in motivation. It's also helpful to take breaks and practice self-care. Rest is important for your brain and body. When you feel tired or stressed, take a short walk, stretch, or do something you enjoy. This helps recharge your energy and improves focus. Talking to someone you trust can also boost motivation. Share how you feel with a friend, family member, or mentor. Sometimes just talking helps you see things more clearly. They can offer support or ideas you hadn't thought about. Remember, progress is better than perfection. You don't have to be perfect to keep moving forward. Even small steps count. Celebrate your little wins because they add up over time. Finally, keep a positive mindset. Focus on what you can do instead of what you can't. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I will try my best." Positive thinking helps keep motivation alive. In summary, when you feel stuck, accept your feelings, break goals into smaller tasks. Remember your purpose, change your environment, take breaks, talk to someone, celebrate progress, and stay positive. These steps can help you find motivation and keep moving forward. Remember, feeling stuck is normal, but it doesn't have to stop you. Keep going one step at a time.